What are nanorobots? Nanorobots are incredibly small machines or robots whose size is measured in nanometers. To give you an idea, a nanometer is a billionth of a meter, which means a nanorobot is smaller than a human hair and often the size of a single molecule. Although many are still in the research and development phase, the purpose of nanorobots is to be able to work on an atomic and molecular scale to perform specific tasks. Their potential applications seem straight out of science fiction, but scientists are working to make them a reality, especially in the field of medicine. One of the most promising uses is to program nanorobots to deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, avoiding damage to healthy tissues. They could also be used to perform surgery with unprecedented precision, unblocking arteries or repairing tissues at the cellular level. They could even be injected into the body to monitor health indicators or detect the presence of diseases in their earliest stages. In short, nanorobots are one of the most fascinating technologies with revolutionary potential. Their goal is to turn the nanometric scale, which is invisible to our eyes, into a new field of action for robotics.